So what I found was that even though these trees are getting less than the required chill, it's still quite a bit more than what I need, because I still have to thin fruit. I get a good crop. You can see here's an area I missed while thinning. You know, these need to be about that far apart on the tree. So I need to thin this a little more. And of course, to thin, what you do is you can clip or you can pinch the stem and roll the fruit off between your fingers, because you do not want to break that union where these fruit all come out together. Because if I just pull that off and break the stem loose, I'll let air in there, which will weaken the union of the fruit that I do keep, leading to a potential windfall problem in the fall. I have still had to thin most of the fruit from this tree. And of course, we talked about removing the fruit and leaving the stem attached. Why are we thinning it? We are thinning it for fruit quality. We are thinning the apples, giving them some space so they'll be larger. We're in the process of thinning, we're giving preference to the apples that are going to hang well, especially in the wind. And then the other thing that people often forget to consider, by thinning the fruit, we're reducing this tree's tendency to bear in alternate years, because this Fuji will bear alternately if it sets too much fruit.